Hey, what's up guys? I'm from BSG Tech. It's very easy and it takes only few steps to revert back from Windows 11 to Windows 10. If you have recently upgraded, especially within the past 10 days, then the first method which I'm going to show you right now will work. If no, then follow the video for the second and the third step. There are different reasons. We're not going to talk about why you want to go back from Windows 11 to Windows 10. So let's jump into the video. First thing you need to do is click on Settings, System, and after that we have to look for recovery. And as I mentioned earlier, if you have recently upgraded within the past 10 days, you can still avail this option, which is to go back. This option is no longer available on this PC. Reason being, I've updated this PC for almost a month. Microsoft has disabled this. There's a time frame for that to go back within the past 10 days if you have upgraded. So this option is no longer available. So for those people who have this option, they can avail this, or you can move on to the next step, which is to go back into the settings, then click on the system, and then we have to click on recovery. And here we have the third tab, which is advanced setup with the startup option. Restart your device to change startup settings, including starting from a disk or a USB drive, which is a bootable USB drive. Click on restart now. It will take you to a recovery page and it will ask you for different options. So you have to click on troubleshoot. Once you click on troubleshoot, you will see further options, and on the next page you will see these 6 tabs. From here you have to click on uninstall updates, which means remove recently installed quality or feature updates from Windows, which means anything which has been installed recently from the Microsoft via the OTA or via a USB flash drive, that will be uninstalled and you will revert back to Windows 10. So that's the second method, guys. Third method is obviously very standard and a common practice. You can create a bootable USB flash drive and you can install Windows 10 on that, and then you can flash your system with that, and that will not affect your digital license. And so that's it for today's video, guys. If you like this video, do let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.